So people, this is going to be a little bit different from the drone video that I usually do. Didn't use my drone for this one, I just used my Osmo Pocket, but my wife and I visited a place that we've been to before in New Braunsfels, Texas called Landa Park. It is a really scenic, magical place. It's the point of origin for the Comel Springs, which is some of the clearest and cleanest water you'll find anywhere in Texas, as you'll see in the video and parts of it. But as I mentioned, it's in the town of New Braunsfels, which is known for a few other things like its German heritage and the Oktoberfest parties and celebrations that they'll put on in October. They rival probably anything that goes on in Germany at that time of year. One of the other things that New Braunfels is known for, pretty much everywhere in Texas, are the Guadalupe River floats. They get pretty wild in the summer months. A lot of college kids and a lot of college towns around here, and so the young people love to take advantage of it, and some of the old people like myself too. Hope y'all enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed taking it. Can't wait to get back out there with a drone now next time, you know. Thanks.